Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. Begin by accessing Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, choose the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue and finally allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, you need to hit Send next to selected at the bottom. So it's a misclick. Over here, tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you wanna use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive. To scan the QR code though, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!